But KPS, do you think everybody is corrupted in our society?
Well, thank you, Debadeepa, for your insight on corruption. Is everybody corrupt? I would like to ask the audience of all of you sitting here, raise your hand if you think that everybody is corrupt. A few hands, but let me tell you honestly, if that is your view, then let me tell you, you have a very negative attitude towards this world. Corruption depends on various factors like the governance, culture, or economic conditions of a particular region. There may be people who engage in corrupt practices, but there are several who want to maintain integrity in the society. If you look around you, you will find far more good people than corrupt people. Several efforts are being made to fight corruption through legislation, education, and awareness. Hence, I would like to say that generalizing that everybody is corrupt is a bit of an incorrect statement. Because in our society, there are many people who would rather die honest than do any dishonest work and cheat anybody. But that would just be beating about the bush, isn't it? I don't want to leave your question like that. I know it's not just your question, my friend. This question is in the minds of many of the people who sit before us. Well, corruption needs to be stopped. It is a disease that has plagued our nation. It is unavoidable and unfortunate that corruption has spread its roots deep in our society. So what should be done? The reform has to be made, and it must start from young children. The weeds must be nipped when they are buds, and modern problems require modern solutions. Starting from home, parents must be honest in their actions. As you might see, often children copy adults. Also, children must be taught not to indulge in bribery or manipulate others for personal gain. These are important lessons to be taught from home. They must be taught about how destructive greed can be and in what drastic way it can affect their life. Schools also play a major role in shaping the students' minds, as we know that we are taught about values like integrity and honesty in the form of moral science or value education. But don't you think there is a drawback in that? Just like other subjects, we know the theory, but we don't know its application. Therefore, initiatives to raise awareness about the corrosive effects of corruption are very essential in this respect, something which is a major objective of today's panel discussion. On this note, talking about the effects of corruption, Lagna, could you shed some light on how corruption drastically affects the lives, especially of common people like us?
Yes, definitely. Swasti.